Generative AI is quite literally the most transformative technology that I've seen in my lifetime. I think it's critical that people understand what this technology is doing and what its potential is, and also what the risks are, both to be responsible consumers, but also producers.
This program is fundamentally about looking at generative AI through three lenses. The first lens is simply trying to understand at a fundamental level how these technologies work. The second is how to use generative AI effectively in your day-to-day life. The third part are what are the emerging big questions that we as a society are trying to grapple with as generative AI becomes a huge part of our lives and accelerates at such a high pace.
In this program, we're going to mix video with AI interactive elements to help you learn. We're going to use AI to help you learn AI. We're going to pair that with live sessions so you get to meet and talk with us. We're going to have office hours, and we're going to make sure that you all get to meet one another.
Part of the goal of this program is to empower you to do things with AI that you simply thought were not within your reach. One of the projects that we'll have you work on is you will decide to build an agent or a custom bot that will allow you to do things that you didn't think were possible.
And so anyone who thinks that generative AI might become an important part of their work, or maybe it is already, should think about taking this course just as a way to better understand where they're at and maybe where they're going.
We designed this program to be relevant for a broad audience of policymakers, business leaders, and beyond.
Generative AI is going to reshape the labor market. It's going to reshape the way that we work, the way that we live, and understanding how we can leverage it while at the same time keeping in mind the risks involved is absolutely essential for any profession.
My hope is that people will take from this program the foundational understanding necessary to make better decisions about this technology and the role that it plays in society.
I hope you decide to join us in this program. It's a great opportunity to learn about generative AI in a short amount of time and with the right practical approach.